classic 5 tube amplifier from Punoscho. As people are asking for an audio sample, here we are for making an audio sample and the overview of the tube amplifier. This tube amplifier uses proper Tolex body, a proper leather holder that you can just take it and feel it for the retrofittable tube amplifiers related mods. Other than this, it is also using a proper 8-inch speaker with having 8 ohms output and 15 watt accumulated output from it. This is a 5 watt tube amplifier. Don't compare it with a solid state amplifier that is available in today. This is the classic one. I can show you what are the connectivities and console panels it is having. The first of the things, let's turn it off. First of the things this is having over here is that this is the volume, this is the tone, and this is the input jack connectivity. This is the pilot lamp and this is the on. If I make it in a full and make the tone full, you will hardly hear any noise or any related sounds from it. So it's so quiet that you can use it for the recording as well. Other than that, here is the tube overviews that I wish to show you in that way. Here is the ZZ34 for the rectification section. This is 66 GT and this is 12AX7. This 12AX7 is used for preamplification purposes, 66 GT is used for the power amplification purposes, and ZZ34 is the rectification purposes. This is the 8-inch speaker. It is completely made handmade, and the proper Tolex and wooden body is available with it. Comes with a standard 2 years of warranty and the peace of mind. You can play it on the stage, you can play it in any other places that is available. So if you are looking for a budget range tube amplifier that you can use for your home purposes as well as stage purposes and recording purposes, you do not have any choice other than the 5 watt tube amplifier classic 5 from Punoscho. This tube amplifier is equivalent with the Fender Champ model. The one thing that is added in this model is that Fender Champ doesn't come with any kind of tonality control, but it does have. So this is the tube amplifier that we want to release for the musicians that are looking for a budget range tube amplifier and want to have this one. And another note for the people who are looking for the cranky tube amplifiers over there, you can easily crank it up more than 6 o'clock. So a good headroom is available with this one, and the proper tube distortion you can accumulate for. Let's see how I can make it for a cranky one and crank it up. So I am just placing the input over there. Here is the output volume. This is the third line is the standard one. So after this 7, it will start to crank. So this is how tube distortion, a pure tube distortion you can achieve from this tube amplifier. You will get all the information and everything from our website. What are you looking for? Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.